it is so easy to polish, okay? Because we know exactly that the bagger pads are too hard, so we put this foam in between. And now it's perfect.
他说，之所以他们后面加这个黑色的这一层，就是因为它本身的那个后面很硬，太硬了，所以他们自己加了这个橘黄色的这一层，因为它本身的这个盘子太硬了，所以他们做了羊毛垫。
希望轻吃都还没有。
这个很小，这跟飞丝差不多大。
Okay, now I show you how to prepare a new pad. So this
他
is
现在就告诉你们怎么来准备一个新的拍。
somebody said it's drying too quick.
有些时候他说它会非常干，然后会裂。
Okay, all you need is water.
这个是水，这个只是水，普
Okay.
通的水。
And then this is a new pad, first time.
这是个新的，从来没有用过的，首
Just
次用。
apply a little bit of water.
只能加一点点的水。
Then do it like this.
然后就这样做。
And then take this here.
然后用这个 brush， 用这个刷子。
A little bit of brush. That's it.
然后就好了。
So now, look, nothing can happen.
然后，
It is like, and now add the polish.
然后这个时候再把那个研磨剂给涂上去。
Okay?
Yes.
And whenever I have people here, sometimes I have to train people, and people, they have never used a polishing machine.
有些时候他在这里，他必须要教那些人怎么用那个抛光机，因为抛光机，因为很多人他从来没有用过抛光机，所以他现在用。
Or if you have new customers or new people in our shop, and they have no idea how to polish, I always give them a machine and a wool pad.
然后一般就是说你们有新的客户。
And then I show them how easy it is. How easy it is to polish. Okay? And with one hand. Okay? No polish, so that they can learn how to use the machine. No pressure, like this. Easy like this. And then if you have areas like this, look. The bagger pad is out of center. Look.
Out of what?
The bagger pad
这后面那块垫子 is out of what?
is not centered.
他说没有在正中间。
这个它也会出
Yeah,
现。
no. Better now. And you see there are a little bit of fibers are coming out, but it's acceptable.
他说你会发现有一些小的纤维飞出来，但是这是正常的。
And this wool will not go like stick down and get pressed, so it stays open, and you can polish and polish and polish and polish. It's maybe you can get something like that for €1 in Asia. This is more expensive by far, but it will last for minimum 1 month. You can polish 1 month with this wool.
他说只要这个羊毛垫它已经粘起来了，它已经很厚，就是看上去可以压扁了很久，它就可以继续再度使用。虽然呢，它会在比欧洲其他的一些牌子或者亚洲其他一些牌子卖的稍微贵一点，但是它起码可以在1个月里面可以多次使用、反复使用没有关系。只要它这个羊毛垫没有被压得很紧，然后变得很厚，变得很黏，都可以再用。
Okay. And some people polish like this. I prefer to polish like this.
然后有些人是这么抛光的，但我觉得手放在前面更好。
And the reason for this is I put my arm to my waist and then okay. But I don't have to tell you this. You know already how to
你们已
polish.
经知道这些，主要是他的手臂会夹着他的腰，然后可以做这个动作。当然你们都很了解这些。
In many areas in the world they hate wool. I don't know why. I love it because it's much quicker. If you have deep scratches, you're very quick with
他说有些
wool.
人很不喜欢用羊毛拍，我不知道为什么，但是他自己很喜欢，特别是针对那些深度刮痕的时候。
不喜欢用的人是因为技术不到，我怕把那个头
把
发，
车子毁掉的。
因为羊毛盘的热量
This
太高。
scale
Yes,
destroys the paint.
Yes, maybe maybe they don't have a good skill and they are afraid that the high temperature of the wool will ruin the palm.
Yeah, but the wool is creating 50% less temperatures than the foam.
但是
Wool is always
就比那个 个海绵垫的温度要低50%呢。
Wool is always cool, much cooler because you have the air, and this is a natural material and no synthetic material. If you go and do the same with the foam is getting much harder because this is synthetic and the pad is synthetic. But this is synthetic and this is wool and natural, so you never generate
他
temperature.
说这个羊毛的温度应该是更低的，因为它里面是有空气进去的，它这个是天然的材料。如果是用那个海绵的话呢，海绵要比它的那个温度要高出很多，因为所有海绵里面东西都是合成的。
Okay. If you want, because now I can show you how a body shop is using our material.
现在给你们看一下，就是喷漆厂他们是怎么样来用他们的那个产品。
And we can make a quick demonstration on this paint. This is a very difficult paint here.
他说我们用在这里做个快速的演示，在这块漆面上，因为这块漆面其实是很难抛
And
的。
now I can make a demonstration how the application looks like at a body shop. Because later, if you go to the training center, I show you a classic car and we detail the classic car.
他在这里就做一个快速的演示，给你们看那个油漆工厂他们是怎么做的。一会儿我们去培训中心的时候，会给你们会做一个更加详细的一步一步骤的演示。这里就是一个快速油漆工厂是怎么做的。
Okay, 1 second.
不够花。
拿出你的擦脸油反一下。
我
拿你
上面做
不要拿你的脸贴一下。
处理一下这个画。
处理不了。
让他处理。
我的意思是啊，看处理的效果，看你用法律。
处理不了。
扯淡了，这底漆都出来了，你手这两头都伸进去，看怎么处理。
Okay, this is Grid 2000.
这个是2000的砂纸。
它是沙子容易小一点。
Okay. Make it a little bit wet.
用稍微浸湿一点。
Wait 1 second.
它的沙子很漂亮的，一朵小花粘在上面。对的，上次这次带过来一个。
Okay. So there's an imperfection. There's no imperfection, but doesn't matter. Here's a little imperfection. You see here? A little.
这里有一些小的那些。
But this is not really. This is just to make a demonstration. Normally you have big imperfections, a dust nip or something like that, and then you remove it.